Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the sound from your earbuds shutters or is intermittent. So firstly we should check for update, open the application, click on your headphones here and go to updates. And make sure that you have the last version. If you haven't it, just install a new one. Now, we also should check it for the phone, so open settings, go to system, software update and make sure that you have the last version here. Also, we can go to connected devices in the settings, then click this settings icon right here and disable this spatial audio. Maybe it also fix your problem. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.